Becoming a full-time YouTuber and leaving behind that boring 9-to-5 job is the ultimate dream for many content creators out there. But here's the truth. If you jump into full-time YouTube without turning it into a proper online business, it could end up being a disaster. Because 99.9% of full-time content creators don't rely on YouTube AdSense revenue alone. It should only be a portion of your total revenue, and you must have multiple sources of income to make a living from YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can set up multiple online income streams even if you have a small YouTube channel. Let's dive in. Starting with the most obvious one, AdSense revenue. YouTube's partner program allows you to monetize your videos by displaying ads before, during, or after your content. But here's the catch. You need to hit certain subscriber and watch time thresholds before you can start making AdSense revenue. But don't worry, I'm determined to share everything I know to help you reach that goal. And here are 2 simple practices to significantly increase your YouTube AdSense revenue. Number 1, optimized ad placements, and number 2, longer videos. Strategically placing ads in your videos can impact your earnings massively from YouTube. Ensure that your videos have multiple ad breaks at neutral intervals such as between segments or during transitions. And longer videos will always have more ad opportunities. That's why you should aim for a video duration of at least 8 minutes to unlock mid-roll ads. However, don't you ever sacrifice content quality in pursuit of making longer videos. Keep your viewers engaged throughout by delivering valuable and engaging content. I recently published a dedicated video on how to increase your AdSense revenue regardless of your channel size. You will find the card in the end screen of this video, so make sure to watch it after this one. Now let's talk about another highly profitable income stream, affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services and earning a commission on each sale, you can significantly boost your monthly earnings. But here's a mistake many content creators make: filling their video descriptions with countless affiliate links. To my experience, that's a big no-no. Instead, carefully select products and programs that align with your niche and target audience. Websites like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or CJ Affiliate offer a wide range of options, and on top of that, make sure to apply affiliate programs of brands that specifically operates within your niche. On my gaming channel, for example, I have an affiliate link for a software that is called BlueStacks, which allows you to play mobile games on your PC. Because my gaming channel is heavily based on mobile gaming, this affiliate actually makes sense and provides value / a solution to my audience. And of course, always be transparent about your affiliate links and prioritize your viewers' interests, because building a reputation for credibility is much more important than anything else on social media. Income stream number 3, and hopefully this is going to be a huge portion of your monthly revenue on YouTube: sponsored content. Brand deals / sponsorships are one of the main income sources of full-time content creators. The tighter your niche is, the better to land on brand deals even with a small YouTube channel. I got my first sponsorship deal when I only had 800 subscribers, so yes, contrary to popular belief, you don't need a massive YouTube channel to land on brand deals / sponsorships. And so far, I've generated more than double of my AdSense revenue from brand deals on my gaming channel. Soon I will make a video showing you how much money exactly I've made from that small gaming channel, and I will give you like real numbers, screenshots and everything. You know what to do to not miss that. And here's how you can attract more sponsored content opportunities for your channel. Brands are more likely to collaborate with channels that have a strong brand identity and a dedicated audience. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your viewers and builds a loyal following. Interact with your audience as much as you can, so when a brand or a marketing agency land on your YouTube channel, they know that your audience cares about you as much as you care about them. Also, consider joining influencer marketing platforms which connect content creators with brands that are seeking partnerships. I've made 600 euros in the first month I joined vhype.com, which is a marketing platform specifically for gaming channels, and in that time I only had 3,000 subscribers. So definitely research for similar platforms within your niche and never hesitate to contact them. Income source number 4. Creating and selling merch or products related to your YouTube channel can be a fantastic additional revenue stream. However, many creators make the same mistake over and over again, especially with their merch. You need to reflect your channel's branding in a unique way. Don't just slap your YouTube logo on a t-shirt or a hat, etc. and call it a day. Create merchandise that not only reflects your channel's branding but also resonates with your audience, and consider unique designs or artwork that your viewers would love to casually wear in their daily lives. And you will also need to promote your merch effectively, but I don't mean telling your viewers to buy your merch every 3 minutes during your videos. Instead, try a more organic approach. Wear your own products during your videos and showcase them naturally. Thank your viewers who have already purchased your merch, or even better, ask for selfies from your audience and share them on your social media. This kind of engagement and promotion will boost your merch sales tenfold compared to verbal advertising during your videos. We are only halfway there and I'm already out of breath. The next one on the list to turn your small YouTube channel into an online business is an online course. This is a widely used income stream that allows you to share your expertise, provide value to your audience, and generate passive income. Because once you create that course, after that initial effort, now that is a passive income. Here are 3 key points to pay attention when you create an online course. Research your audience needs and interests. Identify a topic that has high demand within your niche by carefully researching your audience needs and interests. Focus on solving a problem or providing valuable insights. For example, if I would create a course, the topic would be how to strategically achieve 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, rather than how to reach 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, as it addresses a much more common problem that my audience has. But of course, you cannot just record a few videos and call it a course. First, you need to create engaging and well-structured content. Break down your course into digestible modules or lessons using a combination of videos, written materials, quizzes, and even practical exercises. Ensure that your course is designed to keep your students engaged throughout the learning process. And once you are satisfied with the quality of your online course, you need to leverage your YouTube channel for promotion. But again, you need to do it in an organic way. Rather than constantly asking your viewers to buy your course, integrate short segments throughout your videos that demonstrate the value of taking your course. This approach will help you maintaining high audience retention while also promoting your course naturally. Income source number 6 is one-on-one meetings. These meetings allow you to sell your expertise and provide personalized guidance to your audience. If you are confident in your topic and have valuable insights to share, offering one-on-one meetings can be a really good income stream. Start by defining reasonable rates, especially if you are just starting out. An introductory rate will attract your initial clients, and as the demand for your one-on-one meetings increases, you can gradually adjust your pricing. And it really doesn't matter if your channel is small. I've created TubeVenture last month, already had 3 meetings so far, and made $150 in return of my time and my knowledge. I think it's a pretty good start for a fresh channel, and you should start yours today, because remember, turning your small channel into an actual online business is the key if you want to become a full-time YouTuber and quit your day job. Next revenue stream on the list is a private community. This can be in the form of YouTube channel memberships, Patreon, or other platforms. The main goal here is creating a paid community where your audience can interact and engage with you on a more personal level. This way you can provide more value to them with discussions, Q&As, or exclusive events in return of a certain amount of money. But if you are creating a private paid community, you better be active, because no one wants to pay for nothing. And if that's the case, eventually they will not only leave your paid community, but also your YouTube channel as well. Up next, we have digital products, and if this video provided you any valuable information so far, you know what to do. Content creators have the incredible opportunity to generate revenue by selling digital products on a daily basis. What makes it even more appealing is that, much like an online course, once the product is completed, it becomes a continuous source of passive income from your YouTube channel. But just like sponsorships, affiliate links, or merch, this obviously has to be related to your niche as well. A great example could be Finzar, one of my favorite video editors on YouTube, selling Premiere Pro transition bundles, animation presets, etc. Last but certainly not least, creating an email list. This is not a revenue stream by itself, at least at first, but it greatly helps you promote everything we discussed so far to your core audience, whether it's your merch, online course, digital products, etc. And once your channel grows bigger, and it will if you just like and subscribe, brands do start paying a lot of money just to have a small section in your next email newsletter. I personally know that Justin Moore, one of the sweetest guys on YouTube, gets paid thousands of dollars from brand deals, not for his YouTube channel, but for his newsletter. So never underestimate the power of having a strong email list. Of course, not all income streams we discussed during the video can be applied to every single YouTube channel. My gaming channel, for example, do have a paid private community, but I don't have a course to sell, for example. So you need to clearly identify what are the most logical revenue streams specifically for your YouTube channel and start working on them immediately if you want to quit your day job and become a full-time YouTuber/content creator. And here's the video. Wait, I think it's here. And here is the video I mentioned earlier how you can increase your YouTube AdSense revenue. I highly recommend you to watch it because you can literally double or even triple your income with just a few simple changes. Make sure to tap on it and I see you there.